How to import and use custom fonts for titles in Kdenlive. First of all, make sure you have the custom font file you want to use, usually in .ttf or .otf format. If you haven't installed it on your computer yet, download and install the font by double-clicking the file and selecting Install. Next, open your Kdenlive project and go to the Titles menu by clicking Project and selecting Add Title Clip. When the title editor opens, click on the text box, then open the font drop-down menu. You should see your newly installed custom font listed here along with the system fonts. Select your custom font and start typing your title text. You can adjust the size, color, style and positioning to fit your video design. Once you are happy with your title, click Create Title to add the title clip to your project. Drag the title clip onto your timeline above your video track where you want the title to appear. Preview your video to check how the title looks with your custom font. If needed, you can double-click the title clip to edit it anytime. Now you know how to import and use custom fonts for titles in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.